So today is my son's third year anniversary, and this is his memorial garden that I've been creating for him. I started his garden in actually on October 31st of 2021 after watching a lot of other YouTubers gardening channels. I got a little inspiration to do something positive, and I know last year February 15th was the first time that I started my gardening journey channel with YouTube as well. I've been a little busy and I've been away, but I hope to get back into it again and give you guys some updates and post some things of what I've been doing around the garden, around Hayden's garden, and in my mom's backyard, all the other flowers that I've been working on as well, the other garden beds, in the front of the house, and the side of the house, and the back side yard as well too. So I hope you guys have been having a good year so far, and I hope you guys are following my channel, and hope you guys get some inspirations from what I've been doing to help with my coping of my grief and my loss. And I want to thank you guys for following me, and any feedbacks you have, any suggestions you have, I'd love to read those comments as well. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the rest of your February. Thanks guys. Bye-bye. So this is late in the evening now. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm in Georgia in Zone 8A. A lot of things are starting to wake up. And as you can see, some of the daffodils are up here. And as you can see there, see those dark spots? Those are the new mulch I just added. And that is a dwarf something. Again, I keep on forgetting what it is. This is a dwarf thing. What is it? See if I can get the dragon prince. That's what it is. Dragon prince cryptomeria. And this is all that's left of it. Everything else is dead, so I'm just going to cut that back. This here for now. Let me... So on, it's to keep it from rolling around or flying away. But that's that. And let's go over here. So I'm going to show you guys the plants that I had put in the ground recently. Just today. Let me go back this way here. This is a... Oh, what is this? I just planted it. I'll put the name on the screen. I forgot what it is. I know what it is. Oh, Anna's Magic Ball arborvitae. That's what it is. It's 18 to 24 inches or 36 inches tall and wide. No more than that. It's a slow grower. So I put that in the ground just now. And let's go over here. Yesterday I planted some geum. This is the apricot geum right here. Just added some mulch as well. Some of that off of there. So I got 3 apricot. There's 1, 2, and 3. And over here underneath the tree, I also added some Lenten rose, some hellebores. And this variety is, let's see what this variety is here. It is Ice and Roses Leona. So that's Leona. This is back down. This one is, do I have a name for this one? Is this Leona too? Which one is this one? I think this is Leona also. I don't think I made a sign for that one.
Also got some primrose. Here's 3 primrose. They are the, kind are they? Do I have a sign, a label for it? Yes, I do. This is the blue oak leaf primrose. Got 3 of those. That's 1, 2, and 3 right there. So, and, oh, behind me. Let me go back. Let's go slowly here so I don't make anyone dizzy. And this is another Lenten rose that I planted yesterday. There it is. Let's see what color this is. What's the name of this one? Did I get it? Did I get a sign for this? Did I get a label? I know I have it. Frosty. That's it. This one is Frosty. See? This one here. Look at that. Let me see if I can change the color of this here. Let me pause this for a moment. I had it at dusk earlier and the color was looking kind of off, so I just changed it back to shadow. So that way the color will come up a little bit more true. Let me show you guys that oak leaf, blue oak leaf primrose again. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. And these daffodils here. All right. And as you can see, this is Hayden's garden bed. And the lights are out because I have it on a timer. So it's showing on there. There's Carolina jessamine. It's crawling like it should be all along the fence. And let's come along back this way. There we go. I trimmed back some of the old tattered leaves from the hellebores here. That was already planted from a couple years ago. Oh, and I planted another one over here as well, another hellebore. And this one is, let's see what this one is. This is Corvina. Ice and Rose is Corvina. So the other one next to the Leona is Corvina as well. Because I know I put the other Leona over on this side. Of course, I have his little stone here. Of course, it says when you love someone, when someone you love becomes a memory, when someone you love becomes a memory, the memory becomes a treasure. And that's what he is. He's a treasure. My son is a treasure to me. He's the other half of my heart. And here is a self-seeded viola. Look at this Lenten rose. This was planted last year. Isn't that beautiful? And I just planted this one yesterday. This is Frosty as well, I believe. Is it Frosty? Let me double check. Let's double check here. Frosty, yes, Ice and Rose is Frosty. Look how beautiful these hellebores are. They're so pretty. And that's, of course, that's my son's garden sign. That's the other hellebore. Look how beautiful this fern is. I forgot what's the name of this fern. This is arborvitae fern. And I have another hellebore that I planted last year. This one is, what is this one called? Ice and Roses. Confidence? What is it? Does it say which kind, which variety this is? It's just... Didn't say. Didn't say which particular variety this one is, but it is beautiful though. How beautiful that is. Oh, and I planted this one over here yesterday as well. It's another Lenten rose. And this one is, let's see, let me get down on my knees here a little bit. This one is Leona. Yep, this is the other Leona. Look at that one. Again, these were $10, so they're small, but it's okay. I'd rather pay for the smaller plant at a fraction of the cost so I can get more plants. Of course, look at this daffodil here. And there's my son's little monkey. I call him my little monkey. Here is the Viburnum I just planted about 20-30 minutes ago, and this is called Viburnum Shades of Pink, and it gets 2 to 3 feet tall by 2.5 to 3.5 feet wide. It requires full sun to part shade, and it is hardy in zone 7 through 11, and I'm in zone 8A, so this should do fine here. Here is the other side of his garden bed. I put in some new look, what is it? New look Astor Miller? No, New Look Dusty Miller. New Look Dusty Miller. I got 4 here. I got 5 up in the front. And this is the other 3 Geum. This is the rose right there. And that is the rest of his garden bed on this side. Let's pan this way. And of course, we are in the evening time right now. So it is getting dark, and this is the light that we have left. So I will end it there. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hope everyone is having a great week so far and a great February. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.